Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The phrase "but study this instead" attributed to Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang reflects a broader message about focusing on specific technologies or methodologies that can lead to advancements in computing, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Nvidia has been at the forefront of GPU technology, which has transformed how data is processed, particularly for parallel computation tasks. In this tutorial, we will explore the following topics. 1. Understanding Nvidia's core technologies, GPUs and CUDA. 2. Why focus on AI and machine learning? 3. Setting up a simple CUDA program. 4. Using TensorFlow with Nvidia GPUs. 5. Conclusion. 1. Understanding Nvidia's core technologies, GPUs and CUDA. GPUs, graphics processing units, are specialized hardware designed for parallel processing. Unlike CPUs, which are optimized for sequential processing, GPUs can handle thousands of threads simultaneously, making them ideal for tasks involving large datasets like rendering graphics or performing complex computations in AI. CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture, is Nvidia's parallel computing platform and application programming interface, API, model. It allows developers to use a C-like programming language to write software that runs on Nvidia GPUs. 2. Why focus on AI and machine learning? The rise of AI and ML has been significantly accelerated by the capabilities of GPUs. These technologies require processing vast amounts of data quickly, and GPUs are particularly well suited for the matrix and vector operations that underpin many ML algorithms. Jensen Huang emphasizes the importance of these fields because they are reshaping industries from healthcare to finance to entertainment. Studying and developing skills in these areas can lead to groundbreaking innovations. 3. Setting up a simple CUDA program. To get started with CUDA, you need the following prerequisites. A compatible Nvidia GPU. Nvidia CUDA toolkit installed. A C/C++ development environment, like Visual Studio or GCC. Sample CUDA program. Here's a simple example of a CUDA program that adds two arrays. CPP. Include IAStream. Include cuda.h. __global void add, int *a, int *b, int *c, int n. Int index equals thread id x.x plus block id x.x * block dim.x. If, index n. C index equals a index plus b index. Int main. Int n equals 1000. Int size equals n * size of, int. / allocate host memory. Int *h _ equals, int * malloc, size. Int *h _ equals, int * malloc, size. Int *h _ equals, int * malloc, size. / initialize arrays. 4. Int I equals 0, in, I++. H _ ai equals I. H _ bi equals I *2. / allocate device memory. Int *d _ a, *d b, *d c. CUDA malloc, and d _ a, size. CUDA malloc, and d _ b, size. CUDA malloc, and d _ c, size. / copy data from host to device. CUDA mempb, d _ a, h _ a, size, CUDA mempb host to device. CUDA mempb, d _ b, h _ b, size, CUDA mempb host to device. / launch the kernel. Int block size equals 256. Int numlocks equals, n plus block size, 1, / block size. Add numlocks, block size, d underscore a, d underscore b, d underscore c, n. / copy result back to host. cuda mempb, h underscore c, d underscore c, size, cuda mempb device to host. / print results. 4, int I equals 0, I10, I++. std coot h underscore ci. std coot std and l. / free memory. Free, h underscore a. Free, h underscore b. Free, h underscore c. cuda free, d underscore a. cuda free, d underscore b. cuda free, d underscore c. Return 0. For using TensorFlow with Nvidia GPUs. TensorFlow is an open-source ML framework that can leverage Nvidia GPUs for training deep learning models efficiently. To use TensorFlow with GPU support, ensure you have the following installed. Nvidia GPU drivers. CUDA Toolkit. CUDNN, CUDA Deep Neural Network Library. TensorFlow with GPU support. Here's a simple TensorFlow example that demonstrates creating and training a neural network. Python. Import TensorFlow STF. From TensorFlow import keras. From TensorFlow.keras import layers. Load dataset, nist. Nist equals keras.datasets.nist. X underscore train, Y underscore train, X underscore test, Y underscore test, equals nist.load underscore data. Pre-process the data. X underscore train, X underscore test equals X underscore train / 255.0, X underscore test / 255.0. Build the model. Model equals keras.sequential. Layers.flatten, input underscore shape equals 28, 28. Layers.dense, 128, activation equals relu. Layers.dropout, 0.2. Layers.dense, 10, activation equals softmax. Compile the model. Model.compile, optimizer equals atom. Loss equals sparse underscore categorical underscore cross entropy. Metrics equals accuracy. Train the model. Model.fit, X underscore train, Y underscore train, epochs equals 5. Evaluate the model. Test underscore loss, test underscore ACC equals model.evaluate, X underscore test, Y underscore test, verbose equals 2. Print, \n test accuracy, test underscore ACC. 5. Conclusion. The phrase "but study this instead" from Jensen Huang can be interpreted as a call to action for developers and technologists to focus on mastering the tools and technologies that drive innovation in AI and machine learning. By utilizing Nvidia's GPUs and CUDA platform, as well as frameworks like TensorFlow, you can harness the power of parallel processing to tackle complex problems and build advanced applications. By understanding and implementing these technologies, you position yourself at the forefront of the next wave of computing and technological advancement.